Sterling, I have to leave.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available weather day.
Jeez, Channel 1's quite delayed.
What's happening?
Weekly test. But, so what are you saying about the alert on the 310?
It's interesting.
Yes, it is. It's very interesting.
I feel like that was a very unique artistic decision on their part.
Yeah, well, I think it's a little more than artisticness and more so, you know what, we can do a square wave sweep. Let's just do it from like 4 kilohertz down to like 7 with heavy modulation or something. Which, was that even a square wave or like what was it?
I'm pretty sure it was a square. It could have been.
I think it's like
it could have been a sine or triangle that was like distorted or amplified or something.
I think it's like a square with either weird modulation or distortion caused by way too much amplification because yeah, that's loud.
Yeah. But I know it isn't like a saw.
Yeah, definitely not a saw. Although it would be cool